Welcome everybody here on my channel. Glad you're joining me here in my diecast room in Bavaria in Germany. It's Friday once again and we are going to do another unboxing video. So today we got some, I would call them leftovers. So this is stuff that didn't fit into other videos and I thought why not throw them all together and do a video. And that is what we are going to do today. So let me show you what we've got. We got two Hot Wheels Mainlines that I forgot to unbox. We got one Welly Nex model in a little bit bigger scale. We got three Hot Wheels mystery models from Series 2 from 2022. We got three Matchbox Moving Parts models and one monster truck. And I would say let's get right into it with this one here. Mercedes-Benz 300 SL in red. So this one is the Super, I think, in the B case of 2023. By the way, if you are from the US and wondering why I always don't know which car is from which case, the problem is here on the card you can't see it. I know on the long cards in the US normally you see the letter here on top and you know the car is from case A, B, C or whatever. But on these short cards here you can't see it. At least I can see it. If you can tell me in the comments down below. I know here's an A, but that has nothing to do with the case. I mean, here it says 2023, but that's all. Anyways, this for sure is not the Super. This is the regular car. The Super has rubber tires and is coming in I think a more metallic, darker red with rubber tires and so on. Here it is. So as you can see, we got no details on the back and no headlights, but the rest is nicely decorated up. We got the number 2 on the hood and on the side, and we got the Mercedes logo here on the back, Bilstein here on the fender, and this one is looking quite nice. And yeah, we've seen this recently as a premium car, which is this one here from Jay Leno's Garage. We can put them next to each other. By the way, these bare metal stains that you can see right there, they are intended. So this one's not damaged. That's how it's supposed to be anyways. Just wanted to show you. Super. Oh no, it's not the Super, it's the premium car. So let's put this one in the parking lot. And here is another one that I didn't unbox recently. It's the 1990 Honda Civic EF, also in red. Here we go. This one's looking also kind of nice, and we got deco, let's focus, deco on the front, we got headlights and the Honda logo on the front, we got deco on the side, nothing on the back. Right-hand drive, by the way, coming with a sunroof that is, seems to be slightly opened. And it seems like there's a gap between the window and the, oh no, oh no, the sunroof isn't open. I think the car is, I think it's broken. Is it? So the interior doesn't sit, the plastic piece doesn't sit right in the metal body. Well, that's unfortunate. I think I have to get another one. Anyways, I thought the sunroof was open. Anyways, let's put this one to the side, and yeah, I have to buy another one. And I would say let's go on with these Hot Wheels mystery models. And you can see I already opened one up, and that is just because I wanted to show you here inside. There's always this this little poster that shows you the cars of the mystery models, and in this case it's Series 2 of 2022. In one of my recent videos, I already showed you Series 3, but in my local toy store, for whatever reason, they go backwards. So now we have Series 2. I put a link to the video in the description down below, by the way, but here you see, when I buy these mystery models, I always get the first 3 cars, because these are the licensed models. As you can see, the rest, these are fantasy cars. So now you will see in this video, hopefully, the 91 GMC Syclone, the 68 Plymouth Barracuda Formula S, and the 2010 Camaro SS. So let's put this to the side, and I mentioned it. I already opened this one up. So, by the way, for all of you that don't know, they do come with these stickers. And if they don't know how to find out which car is in which bag, it's pretty easy. Look right here, you don't have to feel something or whatever. I hope you can see it. Here, the number behind the backslash. As you can see, this one says number 1, so it's number 1 of this set. And here we go, the 91 GMC Syclone, and this one's a beauty. Love the deco on it. It's coming with a glossy black livery and a really nice deco in different colored stripes. It's turquoise, white and orange and red, I would say. And yeah, matches the car very well, looks very good. I like the rims. I mean, it's got no tempos on the front and on the back, but you know, at some point Hot Wheels have to save some money, and that's how they do it. So we get deco on the side and on the hood, but this one just looks good, I would say. So by the way, this one's coming with a bed cover, all metal, a nice one. So let's go on and we take a look at the number. As you can see, this is number 2. So hopefully this is the 68 Plymouth Barracuda Formula S, and indeed, here it is. Also coming with this sticker. And this one's looking kind of cool with these blue flames on a, yeah, I would say pearl white livery. And we got blue tinted windows, like more like a cream interior. So this one's more like a lowrider. Got a chrome front, chrome bumper. Also very, very nice. So we got no headlights, but I already mentioned it. We got deco on the front, or on the hood, on the roof, and on the side. And we got these. When you do the chrome bases and you get the chrome front, I mean, it's not too dramatic that they don't do the headlights, because I mean it looks quite good with these when you get the chrome front. So nice model. Let's put this one also to the side, and we go on with this one here. Show it to you once again. This is number 3. This is the Camaro SS in Beach Patrol deco. Also coming with the sticker. So yeah, this one's kind of nice. It comes with a huge push bar and the patrol lettering on top of the windshield. No tempos on the back. We got a light bar on the roof, which for sure is part of this plastic interior. It's blue tinted interior, gray base. Yeah, this one's nice. Let's get it into the parking lot. And I would say let's go on with this one here, which is the Porsche 911 Turbo from Welly Nex. So these are a little bit bigger scale models. I'm not really sure if it's 1/43 scale. I guess it's a little bit bigger. So this is the Porsche 911 Turbo. So I mean, this is, yeah, a little bit like cheap diecast. There's a store called Action here in Germany, and you get these for €3, and I think that's a fair price. And I don't buy too many of these, but yeah, I buy the Porsches and some other cars because I think it's a fair price. So these are pullback cars, so you get rubber tires. And also, what's quite interesting, oops, you have opening parts. The doors do open, and on this one I think it doesn't look too bad. I mean, look at the wheels. I think it looks quite realistic, and for €3 I would say this is a pretty nice model. I mean, it's not that accurate for sure, but look at the headlights. These are inserted headlights. And we also got a inserted light bar at the back for that price. And also the interior is not bad. Try to show it to you. A lot of black. I hope you can see it a little bit. Well, you know, as you can see here on the front, we got some paint chips, which is not so cool. But yeah, once again for €3. This is quite okay. So into the parking lot, and I would say let's go on with the Matchbox Moving Parts. And as you can see, this weird moving parts packaging forced me to put out my spirit level. So yeah, these things don't fall over, but as you can see, they don't stand. I'm not really a big fan of this packaging, but anyways. So here we go. 2020 Corvette. Please don't ask me from which case of moving parts this one is, because I already mentioned it. Here at my local toy stores, they don't get it in the right order for whatever reason. So here we go. The Corvette with an opening engine cover in, yeah, nice blue color, and we even got a license plate here on the back. Can't read it though. So let's open this one up, and yeah, the engine details are quite nice. It's coming with these gunmetal 5-spokes. Got tempo on the back and on the front, and a nice moving part. It's closing properly. If you are a subscriber of my channel, then you know that I'm not buying too many of these moving parts, because some of them, in my opinion, don't look too good. Especially when they do some plastic parts, then they aren't able to fit or to match the colors from the metal to the plastic, and it often looks kind of weird and not really good. Anyways, we go on with the Mercedes-Benz G500 Cabrio. This one is coming with an opening hood. Nice silver color. So we got tempos on the front, and on the back it's coming with a spare tire. And as you can see, some nice engine details. Yeah, pretty nice model. Let's put it into the parking lot. And the last one from the moving parts is the Ford GT40, also coming with an opening engine cover. Really nice. So this one's coming in a white livery with a blue stripe all over the car, from the hood over the roof to the back. So it's like a racing deco. This is a right-hand drive and coming with a red interior. I think it doesn't look too bad. Tri-spoke wheels. And some nice engine details. So let's check if this one is closing. Well, I don't know if it's if I'm just not able to close it properly, but yeah, it doesn't close too good. As you can see, there is a gap. I don't know if you can snap it in right there. I can't, as you can see. Well, yeah, that's as I mentioned, one reason why I don't buy too many of these moving parts. Yeah. Well, I don't like that gap, and well, I don't know if all of these GT40s are like that. Anyways, into the parking lot it goes. And I would say let's put the rotator to the side as we finish this video up with this one here. Hot Wheels monster truck. I only buy the licensed ones, and here we do have the Jeep in a weathered version. So they do come with these plastic cars you can roll over. I don't know, I don't need that. But anyways, I don't buy too many of these, but this one, in my opinion, does look really, really good. So as you can see, we get a lot of deco on the front, on the back, on the side, and also on the top, and it's all muddy, weathered up, a lot of splashes, and I think this one is just looking good. You know, you can steer them by shifting the cabin, and they do roll very nicely. And I thought this one here is a nice companion for this guy here, which is Defender 90. Oops. Unstoppable. Also in a weathered version, and yeah, just looking very good. And yeah, that's it for today. Let's put the monster trucks in the background. Turn the light a little. And do a final shot at the cars we saw today. So that's it. I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I say thank you for watching, happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye.